Hey y'all, this is Lara from AOuiBitWorn, and I want to tell you about something really cool that has been in the works over the past couple of weeks. I was talking to Tori from GirlyGrrStyle, she does that in her videos, and Bill from 324 Finds about getting together and doing, a fun collab where we shop for each other's closets and ship them to each other and unbox and see how good of a job we do matching each other's aesthetic and style. But it kind of morphed into something a little bit more. One night, Tori had an epiphany. She just had this great idea, and we loved it on our end, that instead of just doing a collab where we do an unboxing, we would shop for each other's closets like we talked about, do the unboxing on video, but after the unboxing, we would post the items in our own closet that was shipped to us, and anything that we sell would go to charity. Also, the one that sells the most and nets the most money kind of wins the challenge, but our profits are gonna all go to charity. We both are very, very passionate about philanthropy and helping people, and kind of bonded over that as we were chatting about what we wanted to do, and it just became a no-brainer that this would be a lot of fun, and maybe we could, start something exciting on Poshmark, and maybe somebody else will want to do something the same. So we have thrifted for each other's closets. I have my stack of 5 pounds of items that I am boxing up as we speak, and we'll be posting them for each other and then shipping them out tomorrow. Once we receive them, we're going to film our unboxing, which I think we're going to post up on Saturday. Gosh, is that August the 3rd? Don't hold me to that, but I'll post it down below. And that way you guys can see what we bought for each other and then what we're posting, and just know that the things that we're posting, whatever we make off of them, is going to charity. I'm going to donate my net earnings to Dress for Success, which is an organization. It's national. You probably have already heard of it, but they help women who are lower income prepare for an interview and dress them in a really nice outfit so they feel very confident going into the interview, which when you're confident in an interview, you're a lot more successful. So I've been in HR for over 20 years, and recruiting is something that I've done for a very long time. And I've seen people come in extremely unconfident, unconfident, and extremely confident. And there's a big difference in how they conduct themselves in the interview based on how they feel. So that's an organization that I just feel really passionately about. I actually started thrifting when I was working with just working on doing that, making sure that people were confident dressing for an interview, and teaching classes on how to conduct your interview, how to act in an interview, your communication skills, and things like that. So those are the things that I like to do as far as donating my time. And that's how we just came to discover that we enjoy that about we both enjoy doing those kinds of things in our community. Even though Bill and Tori are in Washington State and Ashton and I are down here in Texas, it doesn't mean that that we're all that much different. So I'm really excited about how this goes. And if you want to follow what we're doing, you can just use the hashtag Poshmark Charity Challenge on Instagram, but also you can follow us on YouTube at GirlyGrrStyle and at AOuiBitWorn. So we're excited about next weekend, and we hope that you join us to see what we purchased for each other's closets and how well we nailed the aesthetic of our closets. So thanks so much, y'all, and talk to you soon. Bye.